Hello guys, in today's video we will learn about the difference between batch processing and stream processing. So what is batch processing and stream processing? In data engineering we have to deal with a different type of data and need to process the data, right? So mainly there is two type of processing, which is batch processing and stream processing. Main difference is how data is processed and the time sensitivity of processing. First we can look into batch processing. In batch processing, data is collected, stored and then processed in chunks or batches at a scheduled time. It is typically used for large volume of historical data that can be processed at once. Batch processing is not real time, it has some latency as data is processed periodically, often at daily or hourly basis, commonly used for tasks such as ETL, data warehousing and reporting, etc. Batch processing can be understood by taking an example. So imagine a chef who cooks a large meal by preparing and cooking multiple dishes. The chef waits until all ingredients are ready. Then only he starts cooking on that particular meal, right? So this happens at specific scheduled time, like preparing dinner every evening, like that. So basically the chef waits for all the ingredients. Then only he starts working on that, right? Similarly, in batch processing, data is collected and processed in big chunks. We can take another scenario. In an e-commerce website, if we need to create a weekly report on revenues, so basically we need a revenue report on each weekend. For this, we can create a ETL job which will collect data on each weekend from the database and then process that data to create a revenue report. So this is a batch processing. There is also other scenarios where we can do the batch processing, like data warehouse loading, data migration, etc. Data streaming. In stream processing, data is processed as it arrives, so it's real time. It is well suited for processing continuous real-time data stream such as sensor data, social media updates, etc. Data streaming is ideal for applications requiring real-time analytics, monitoring and immediate response. Let's take an example. A security camera installed in an office. So this camera will detect humans, and if there is a new person in front door, it will send mobile notification to corresponding security person. In this case, cameras send the data directly to the server whenever it detects a human, and the server will process that data and send notification to the mobile. So the data is processed whenever it arrives. Another example is analyzing logs from a web server to visualize real-time informations like number of requests per minute and real-time CPU usage or memory usage, etc. To visualize these things, we need to process the logs in real time whenever it arrives. So analyzing logs are also in stream processing. So these are the basic difference between stream processing and batch processing. So in stream processing, data is processed in real time as it arrives. In batch processing, it processes data in chunks or batches at scheduled intervals. In stream processing, it has low latency and very near to the real time. In batch processing, it has higher latency. Processing occurs at specific intervals. In stream processing, it handles continuous streams of data, but in batch processing, processes large volumes of data in discrete chunks. In many modern data processing systems, there is a growing trend towards combining both batch and stream processing to create hybrid architecture. This is often referred as Lambda architecture or Kappa architecture. So that's all about today's video. Please support the channel for more content. Thank you.